Here's what's for dinner: chili with a little bit of, on mine I have some shredded cheese, a couple crackers, and sour cream. And this is reheat from the freezer. I made one big batch and divided the rest of it up into individual servings for two. Thank you. Hi, welcome back to Dinners on a Budget. Today I had some ham in the freezer that I had made a previous time, some rice. I believe this is the Uncle Ben's rice, and green beans. This is a frozen product that I picked up from Sam's Club. So that's what we are having for dinner tonight. Thank you. See you again soon. Hi, here's what's for dinner tonight. It's some chicken that I cooked in the oven with barbecue sauce, and I put some Parmesan cheese on mine, roasted potatoes and yams, and a little bit of mixed vegetables. Thank you. Oh, here's what's for dinner. A little bit of Asian salad. That was a salad mix. Egg roll and rice with sugar snap peas. Popcorn chicken with a little bit of sweet and sour sauce. Thank you. Here's what I made for dinner tonight. I had some tortellini that was in the freezer from another night, so I saved it. And I have some Parmesan cheese on top of that, a side salad, and garlic toast. Thank you. Today for dinner I made some meatballs with a gravy sauce in the slow cooker, mashed potatoes, biscuits, and green beans as a side item. Thank you.